Hi, I'm Ben Lang, a former Army Ranger and Parsons Design student, and I've spent the last year of my life trying to reimagine the wallet. Wallets are bulky and thick, and as a person who likes to keep things simple, I decided to do something about it. I didn't want more from my wallet, I wanted less, and the enthusiastic response I received from my closest friends and colleagues made it clear. I wasn't the only one. This is Panel, an ultra-thin, minimalist wallet made in the USA. It's lightweight, fits in any pocket, and keeps a firm grasp on your most needed items. I remember hearing about people using broccoli bands to hold their cash and cards, but a band by itself, it's just not a wallet. And despite my craving for simplicity, I need something more functional. So I decided to create a thin support, something just longer than my cards and slightly wider than my bills. With this marriage of band and support, the Panel was born. Our models include anodized aluminum, copper, brass, titanium, silver, and gold. And each panel comes beautifully packaged with 3 custom molded silicone bands.